Join King Milan as he takes you through Salone Star Parade. Share the moments on every weekend on SLBC's Channel 31 and Channel 27. Feel the bliss.
Hello and welcome to the program Salone Star Parade with me, King Milan, right on the station SLBC. Thank you so much for watching this program. And of course, this program they talk a lot about entertainment, and anything you want to know about entertainment is a platform where you need to get the stars there. You know a lot about them, definitely. And you know, as we say again, entertainment does only mean say music or movie. You know, get a lot of other things that we intense entertainment we will need for know, especially in this program. Because the platform this way, all the stars and can discuss a lot about themselves, you know. And the flag just not don't show exactly what I get on, and of course this is a veteran person, a person with myself own a lot of gratitude to, and a lot of other youngsters that will come in terms of entertainment. All this guy a lot of appreciation because they really and all the one and set the pace for make sure say entertainment really boom in this industry. But no other person, a great Van Boy, a great comedian. Welcome to the show, my dear. Yeah. Respect, man. Respect. As I say again, especially me and other people owe a lot to you in terms of bringing on entertainment. Oh, yeah. And but who want to know how you come out, to say you come out from. By the way, coming first of all, what else you get for Camna, the program now? How was it like?
Well,
I'm Italic.
You know, it'll be surprising to me, you know, and for quite some time I know they're on screen.
Yeah.
So it's almost okay. I don't need for to do that. And for come at least.
Especially when I get a lot of calls them, text them, say they want to know about these wonderful stars we then get at this country in Van Boy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you know, a platform is for talk a lot about yourself.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but before we start that, we get a platform where they play few things the way you don't do performances the way you don't do. Not too much because scouts out try for fan. You don't do a lot, but the fewer gets and the skit them I get for a patch I'm gonna make some small intro for you.
That's
you go find for a little watch, eh?
Yeah. That's the same.
Thank you so much. Well, once again, it's the one and only Van Boy at the staff for this Salone Star Parade, as I say again. And in at the Star, we can talk a lot about himself and how we do come into this big act way on right now as a comedian. In the meantime, right now, watch Van Boy, and I'll be right back.
We'll check it.
No, they come out now. I want to take it for go make me here. So therefore, me no they come out to me, my chair they come out. What all tell? Well, my go pang, liquid you can at the time they go pranta. Now mix me, ice me. Oh, left me. Ice me, me say me na jump close all man away. Me no danger na jump close all. Don't come. Don't come. What? Damn, sit down there. The waiting sit down. The waiting will die. The waiting die. Eh? No, she best die. I say die, boy. No, I tell you. Wait. The man go to win. Hey, you heard the natural preach. You better not die. If you know, woman, like I know me too. Yeah, I'll try for she say. I will must make her put literature class. Then literature class they go last for them to study small book. What do you mean they go around book again? Trouble. What am I they die now? What am I they get trouble? Look in big trouble. Hey, rest this man die. Hey, you're good. No. Hey, party me jump today to go patrol. To God. Hey, die man to God. But the member who want to be the discussion. Wait a minute, if they take my money, me say take my money. Not up. Now me losses.
Are you losses?
I give that man the money. Tafe tawa. Nani? You not wait at the table. The man meet me. I get that money there. Well, you no good. Me I good. I said that you no good. Oh, ref me. Well, change the borrow that for the people. Well, let me let Silago if I get. Hey, if you want for like go. No. No record. I don't reckon. I don't get one. Don't get money. I know the prayer. I don't tell you. Go rest. Trouble. Nangaka. You don't go. I can't rest. Not to say that. tell me.
You should see, you don't go.
You might ready without her.
I see money. Now go let me make a claim.
Me?
And you can't come in for candle. That's how you want to make a baby so this day. I get you with the money me.
Oh, they're going to do.
I sit with me, I not believe.
Oh.
I hear it with me, yes, one not believe.
Now what you do?
All thank you on
Do ya? Not to me tell you no. I left you sweat you know somebody try for that work for 4 days.
Yeah, to yeah, for you. That give me one. And
They do not free, no go no more.
not free. Not free. I know there before.
You don't pass away long. If something come up behind,
But
I'm going to cover you.
What if I'm about to do the mind bar? I get money. Tote, can't for can't tell me.
The other one be the can't get that. The other one be the can't ban it. What the ban it to go in the middle? What? Now in the end, cut come out. Oh, just the never look the head. So come look the picture. This area now cut come out. Just the never find they do not see the head. So come. What's how you be going to look for you?
Oga,
Yes.
you think like trouble don't come no more.
My boy not free. Joke no more joke.
You want to cook my joy. This monkey is true. Roger?
Yes.
You want to cook my joy. This monkey to boy a cook treat. Tomorrow back with the cook other monkey.
What's he bam?
My monkey pretty.
And TV got number now. So you have a kill number 55.
50 batter.
Yes, indeed. Welcome back. Once again, Salon Star Parade Extra with me, King Milan. And of course, that's now the one and only star for this week program and the Great Van Boy. You get a chance for sending comment. Numbers on the screen. It's 077 600 100. You can ask them questions. They're live with them right now. Once again, welcome to the show, the Great Van Boy.
Yeah.
First of all, where you see yourself, so what are you coming so far?
A maker actually the CC and Salon no lost Bokutin from where we come on at the screen, you know, more like SLBC.
Yeah.
You know, because that one pot program the na program for the old, the youth and the adolescents.
Okay.
You know, everybody it become to a time in this country. Everybody they wait for the time and picking and they would then discipline for make them watch one pot.
Okay. Well, they reach to that and they only reach an apart. But you know, say this platform like this program now, where they start from, who saw you come out from. By the way, Van Boy, now the real name?
No, na Ernest Brewer. No, when the real name.
Ernest Brewer. Who saw Ernest Brewer come? Who saw you born? Who school you go?
I go back to school.
Well, no. I make this platform the low, no.
Yeah. When me I born in Freetown actually. Na Ross Road. Then I start my primary school in Kennedy Municipal.
Okay.
You know, from there, my papa na been police. So then me go for transfer. You know, police speaking. You dey sabi beaucoup part in the country. You go na Kabbalah, then transfer na Mogoka. You know, McKinney.
So you go school all inside and day?
You know you don't serve something one time na one school.
Wow.
You know you don't 1 year, one time.
So school are the best way at attend among all the one day. Because you call all the schools them, but to school where you remember where the stick na you ate, say this school I love them more than all the other ones.
Oh yeah, na St. Francis Primary.
Wow.
Yeah.
So where you aim where they come up now for become waiting?
Well, you know say you know to master of your destiny by then. You in a picking, you know. But from early stage, I be like drama.
Wow.
Yeah. And I can still remember, and then at St. Francis Primary School. Then we get a drama competition. That was class 6. You know, na be a whole way na him when the story they get tense, na me they kill the tempo.
Okay.
So by the end of the one play, I was the star, even the one on main cast.
You beat in time.
Yeah, I don't mean
You don't mean
it.
it.
So mean I've been talk.
That can happen, especially if you meet up the star not too active like you. You smaller old self, you can become too active.
But that they happen, they tell the Kailo.
I know that they can't to Kailo on the side. They can't to Kailo on the side. You know, but again, you don't get inspiration through this one. I mean, like at that time, the comedy business, or rather the acting business, we don't forget about the comedy first. Acting business made popular.
It's not popular. I mean, they just take a nice subject where they do na primary school. Now from primary school, they begin to drama and everything. Yeah, and with that, I do go along in life now, so you be able to identify yourself. You know, somebody tap you the moments and
But at that time, they didn't see and say, "Not to think where the rape benefits at all." A lot of parents in the shy away for them, even do that in the.
Oh yeah.
How you parents may take her?
Well, then since at that early stage, they maybe not begin benefit from that small talent so God been give me at that moment there.
Okay.
Because now from there, man at top go give me a scholarship. That not done. It take me at the 9 years, then be responsible from my schooling.
The Van Boy name, we don't become so popular. When you get this name?
Well, I get I don't remember between 1991, something like before that anyway.
Okay.
Well, you remember where professionals become.
Okay, yeah.
By then, being a dance man.
Yeah, Boku for talk.
Yeah,
that's all.
Yeah, me I've been dance man, and you know I've been popular in dancing. Okay. Then I can say professionals they go off the stage. Then professionals na actors them we come on a different theater groups and come together. You know. So I look, by then comedy they come in and get few stand-up comedians. So I get forgot the provinces for good research.
Okay.
Because you know acting are the act of imagination.
Of course, yeah.
And as such, for let you excel or let you be a very good actor, you get beaucoup things where they put together. You get for the proper research, you get for actually train yourself. You know, I make you to get rehearsal.
Yeah.
You know. So I go get this character. But I mean they go blindly, I don't mean get
right character
you look for, this, yes. But I don't left go who they go. Now that put you on axis.
Okay.
I reached one village after Koribondo.
Okay.
Now in the motoka go down. Motoka get some injury problem.
Okay.
So we all get first candle. You know, whilst in the try for fix up the motoka, I come out, I dey go at least like go use myself. Now they go meet this interesting character when name Van Boy.
Okay.
This person. When I talk to her, in first response, I said, do you I say
You press.
I want use the toilet. And I say, the other way, go and so na toilet like who you na Saroma. I don't want that the man they ask me na Saloma.
Yeah.
And when I say Saroma, that you feel a fritter man. I say, okay, I feel a fritter man. So but the way talk I into him.
Okay.
Then I go in at this toilet. But you know so they cut the toilet and they now then palm tash. Then palm leaf.
Palm leaf, yeah.
Yeah. Now then they use now the
cover, yeah.
Yes. But when the palm leaf did this so much as now the actors do not. So you they see
but they see through.
You they see person, person you see.
Yeah.
Now from there I see this paragraph. Now you do this walking.
Okay.
The worker
the flip your name, yeah.
Yes. I can't let this character. Then now that moment I decide to okay, I think me Johnny and I did, and they do research on this guy. Very interesting.
Okay.
Now I can come in. So well, me na pursue the right play, and I mean they look for side where I go put the way cool, where I go able right. And she say, well, no problem. And where I get to have me picking, but it don't go right room. You go to sleep like room. Okay. You don't like that. That's okay. So I begin to observe this body. I study him, a mannerism, a movement, and the way they gesticulate, a voice control. You know, the guy is so full and he fully get million jokes. Now guy we all
get you more, get a sense of humor.
Enough.
Okay, so in other words, it gets all what it takes. Now you can showcase soon. Now the Van Boy, na me name.
Na be name Van Boy.
Van Boy. So you can.
So but I try for ask her with them. His son name.
You know, tell you.
Now the first man we make I know say, me name might not get original name.
I do know that.
He were for simple example. Last night Sheriff.
Oh, yes.
Sheriff last night.
So Van Boy, what did he tell you?
Hey, now Van Boy.
Van Boy.
It just say Van Boy, the only man.
So now they get the dignity and quality.
Yes. Now that did me add now because now being warden that day. Now being warden.
So you may not ever try again for go see now this village. You look for this part.
Oh yes, there was the time when we get contract for do them performance, and when I start where I come, I meet my man them. I said now with the change this comedy you they do, you know the whole. I say, beaucoup things they will surround their household between husband and wife, then domestic stories. Them I say then go nice. Then would they imitate?
Okay.
Okay,
now
change the thing.
Yes, indeed change. But now we get as I say, get Bokoti for talk. But not just give people like this, spice them up a little bit with this character we bring up. I get this son where I say Van Boy and Rosaline. Van Boy and Rosaline and they play Lyman. Where I think Rosaline one come out, it's also they go you go meet Fatu Oda, you just in a business. But we will come to that about how you and Rosaline meet. How you can get this guy we take this man, just shot one normal locally there.
We'll start when we get to one lady when we start the thing because Rosaline I mean we call her Rex.
Okay, Rex.
Yeah, and I mean come on him. But then I've been that imitates from them professional.
Okay.
You know. So this lady when Okino when time come for production, we know they will get them. Okay. One thing you will see come in face well and boyfriend don't get a chance in this, you know, so that the biggest stage. So that they frustrate me. So one then I simple it look like say me I the begin play with my role.
Okay. Well now you want to start for play with
me want be and start for play. Now he goes and say well me go try. Now he goes and try. And the son will start. That's okay. So manager, yes.
So now so you become perfect now.
Yeah, that's so.
Okay. We can't talk more again, but let's just pause for a while. We'll meet the fans, then get the feel of this wonderful Rosaline and you as Van Boy. Yeah. Once again, the program Salon Stop Parade. They have the great guy called Van Boy. And as I say again, I'm the staff for this week here. And you get a chance for sending a comment. The number is on the screen right now. Is 077-600-100. Don't say why I get this character, but Van Boy. Now put your own area. And it's guy for can make sure say people know and popularize this Van Boy big time. When we come back, we'll talk. But now let's watch Van Boy and Rosaline in the play called Lyman. I'll be back.
Please, I must go to Yinkin.
Which again? No, they come out now.
I want to go to Yinkin for let go make me a year.
So therefore, me no they come out to me, my chair they come out. Which all ten? When woman want go pan, liquid work and at the time they go plant.
Now mix with ice me.
Oh, left me.
I see me. Me say me na jump close all man away.
Me no danger na jump close. Oh, I dey come.
Who say you go now?
I dey go take poro injection.
Polo injection, but they are not killing you laugh. Who say one day see they give polo injection?
Oh, they are not that.
They give injection. Now you want to put a lot for yourself. You don't pass 60 years.
They take that one from what?
Now for picking from 0 year to 5 year.
When did they take them? The town where they not bring polo today. Where are born? So you know they take polo. No bring that power and motor. Yeah. Because anytime when I say now forgot to polo, now the time they take the go to Mutu, care to uncle.
The Ripa Georgia he say they take polio. Not a problem.
I mean, I'm not
big man like you go to
that. I want from more. I don't want to go. They will give me the data. Hold on. So now the poor way you know they take care of that to make you know they get better. If you like what they don't know, yes.
I don't get better.
Yeah.
Well, now you no good.
Me, I good.
I said that you no good.
Oh, ref me. Well, change the poor data for the beginning of that.
Well, let me lay Silago if I get.
Hey, so I'm from like go. No. No record. I don't record. I don't grab the one don't get money. I know the prayer. I don't tell you. Go rest me. So tell you fit and I try to watch me fit. I don't tell you.
But I bug you.
Well, if I take the Jackson.
It's next week.
If all things done. I mean, this thing they confit me. Wait till them bring all my village. They don't left an ataron. Therefore, all man get them. And they come.
Okay. We can send from you.
Yeah. If you know woman, like I know me too.
Yeah, I'll try for Cisse. I will most make them put in literature class. Then literature class they go laugh for them to study small book.
What do you mean they go around book again? I'll tell you for fun. Let me tell you, not all man they run book.
Yes, indeed, welcome back once again. He's the one and only Van Boy, and the staff of this was Star Parade Extra. And once again, you get the chance for sending comment. Begin doing now because after the next skit, they start for read some of the messages the way on the send and asking questions as well. The great Van Boy. Welcome again to the show, my brother.
Yeah.
First of all, the chemistry between you and this Gozali in all the places there very unique.
Yeah, because the story they can center around me.
Okay.
You know, Van Boy and Rosalind. Van Boy they represent Mandem, whilst Rosalind they represent two Mandem.
Okay.
You know, waiting can happen.
Well, I'll get forget time on Rosalind on side interview. I will ask her how we do the kitchen here. But all the same, you also not only a dramatist. I make for understand say you even join the force, you may be a prison officer.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Then I've been prison officer. You know way. Me not been prison officer, but I can look I mean get passion for acting.
So now make you decide for left?
Yeah. I get passion for acting, you know.
So the prison work may they stop you for?
I mean they stop me.
Okay.
Like sometimes I get for go rehearsals. Spend most of the time on rehearsal.
Yeah. For let you build up your creativity.
You go from 7 o'clock in the rehearsal. So until 11 o'clock.
And at times you prison work, maybe the shift.
So I did late. That is finished.
Okay.
Because late you did from 2 o'clock
I know.
to 10 o'clock.
So and you don't work inside prison?
Yeah.
Okay. How the atmosphere are they?
Oh.
You get any character, you get any team they come to mind where they pull from the prison for put her at the stage?
Oh yeah. Actually, but prisons by then na society.
Okay.
You know, you as an officer not even the talk waiting to happen at the prisons.
Okay.
You know.
Noted.
So,
Noted. You still maintain that way side.
Yes.
So you know for talker.
Just like the army.
I know.
So discipline the way they go through.
But give me, I buy you, I like that. Anyway, well, you come, you talk about as you by passing, you talk about dancing. What's you meaning into this dancing? And those kind of dance you be they do? What you be they do? Where you?
Well, me na be group dancer. Then I mean to do them. You know the order of the day they tell them.
Miming.
Yeah. Before I cancel miming. Now be them Michael Jackson again. So everybody want
the young one out there, go and see you body now they go say hey,
well, I be flexible, I be sweet for look. You know, and get me calls. And
Get Jerry calls as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how and at that time, how the scenario make sound like?
Well, it been very peaceful, you know. We would the dance, dandy back again. And I tell you, all my life,
Okay.
na entertainment. Because if I know the go rehearsals, I go there, na me training ground for dance.
Okay.
Where I come there, I get limited time, I get small time for doing.
And that's the one that you talk about dancing, so not all you want. You may get groups, them dancing groups, you may get individual dancers them as well.
Oh, yeah,
and
yeah.
the competition, I mean, they plenty.
Plenty.
Yes, and you be don't challenge, you don't ever win any competition?
I mean, I don't win for a singular freestyle, singular with group. You know, now we from Davalgis.
Okay. You also did into the drama. And this drama and the stage drama.
Oh yeah.
So a stage drama very popular at that time.
Oh yeah.
What you bring you into stage drama and how you do become that captain? Because I know you now way into the stage drama. How you do captain that whole
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when I'm in a prison as a prison officer, then they tell me that time you get prison can get them volleyball courts, tennis courts.
Okay, yeah.
We been there very close to the barrack.
Okay.
So, and then I did the prison canteen be there.
We're not special courts now, they let you.
Yeah, we're not special courts.
Yeah.
So there's then they post me there on guard.
Okay.
Because the canteen there,
Okay, yeah.
you get for the officer who, for the look, see that things are okay.
Okay, yeah.
And by then Magnum X Theatre, they can rehearse there. And then I see, and then they can rehearse and now me dream now waiting I want. So now I switch myself in. So if you know reach a stage now, if I did late, I didn't forget about the work, I didn't make a part of the rehearsal.
Okay.
So then tell them now like you dey go buy them Ronaldo, you dey look for good player.
Yes, yes. Professionals.
Yes, we can't get a competition at Wilberforce. One adjutant been in a Wilberforce we name have been something robots. I mean they organize then thing and they for the Wilberforce community.
Okay.
You know. So 1 year they would have invite all the theater groups. By then, me and Dan Mose, we had left Magnum X. Now we go form another group.
You and Dan Moss.
Yes.
Okay.
I will get one other group in the way named Sarah African Players.
Okay.
Now they me and Dan Mose meet. You know.
Okay.
Dan Mose itself now we get passion for acting. We did it. We can't get competition. That now we are forced. Between Kailondo and South African Players.
Okay.
Now we go final.
Okay.
But the whole way me play, I be really monarch. I be monarch Kailondo way be that. Now they been getting David Vandy, then Sil Johnson and all the rest.
yeah.
There I was Scott.
So them beat you now or you will beat them?
Well, and them get two main actors. The best actor been come up from there.
Okay.
Then the best female actress been come up from.
Okay, in a short note.
Yeah.
Now that you get now then clinching as a professional journey in a Kailondo theater.
Well, David now always the Panis Entertainment.
Yeah.
So Sil Johnson can say me and David they get rapport and everything. And Sil say he wants me na Kailondo.
So they sign you.
Yes, he say he wants me na Kailondo. So now David and give the mission now for try forget me.
I will ask you how much they sign you for. But that's
Not to sign. I see that passion.
Okay, I love that.
I love it again.
And anyway, you're coming into Kailondo. David is in Kailondo. Sil Johnson, a wonderful writer, a director as well. You get to Parker and all the other rest them. Kailondo name become big.
Parker and me bring and Kana
Okay.
Kailondo.
Kailondo name become big, it become household name.
Yeah.
I know, and when I win a lot of accolades them, you know, in terms of competition as well.
Yeah.
What do you miss at the stage?
A lot.
Name some.
You know, you know, something where you get passion for, something where you take them as you life. That's in the cut off, you know. You did miss a lot.
You miss with theater business not day again.
No, with theater business because we look now, even the film they produce now, they don't get the same way they train, where they identify, where they say, well, even now training identify football and also.
Of course, yeah.
Well, we don't get stages how they go perform. We don't get stages how they perform, how they go identify. Like me, they able to identify me, the likes of Spencer.
Yeah, Julius Spencer.
Julius Spencer, doctor, and all the other. Beaucoup them, Sam Madika, but them this that, them Patmadi. They able to identify me on stage.
So that's not there now.
It's not there now.
Okay.
You know,
and you miss that.
I miss that, and even them films they do now, you know they get character because they don't learn and they don't get the basics.
Yeah, on that side of the advice, I'll get for cancer. I just ask for side effect. And also, when I introduce, especially Kailondo, introduce melodrama.
Oh,
when I introduce music into a play.
Yeah, na me carry melodrama. Na me carry melodrama into them.
After acting, there's a like India movie no more.
Yes, well, after I've done the dance, I see well, the dance because everything gets time. Dancing me not the fade.
Okay.
Me look myself now say, I dey go to another way. I can't see now say well. I can tell stories, and most of the music are na stories. If you interpret them properly, the person will be able to understand them. Not like them send away them video clips and begin come out. You see. So now from there I get the idea. I begin build stories out of music.
Okay.
And they take two music, blend them together, get a nice story. I can remember I mean get one way I do when I take a message to me.
Take a message to me.
They would remember me.
Yeah.
Way Lucky Dube do.
Yes.
And
I mean, let's play that. Remember again?
No, well, that take a message to me.
Okay, if you don't remember, I don't know who is to tell on. But I know say that style alone make Kailondo and make people they love drama so much.
Yeah.
Liberty all be the fool and City all be the fool. You miss all that as well.
Oh yeah, but that be it's City all. We been move the audience them from then City all, them Liberty all to them their hotel venue them.
Yeah.
You know, Kailondo been get that power.
And they make a remember the late Ali Bouma.
Oh yeah.
Very talented, gifted director. Man, so rest in perfect peace.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they can play again another short one. They come back, and this one, the same lie man skit. But this one, I think say I don't like when I see Jabez die. So when I see Jabez like a ghost. But in the time of children, say he's still alive, he's not to die man at all. Well, they can watch our come again. We'll talk more, go deep into how the entertainment day now. Yeah. Once again, the possible I talk to right now to know that possible now the great Van Boy at the Stafford Salon Star Parade. Put you texting together right now, and when I come again, hopefully I'll start to read them and we'll go deep into entertainment. But in the meantime, right now, watch Van Boy and the skits called Like Man. Saying they're gonna be for the best. Watch, and I'll be right back.
Yes, sir. The two women are me pan the waiting that one. Now the can will die. Look, they're saying head. He had it kata.
Van Boy,
Van the head to
Van Boy, what do you understand? They say a plastic bag full. Now they didn't get anybody, put them. All that can go.
Motaman.
When you see an able beer, before they can meet me, the last 20,000 you are get na Kotoku, na go pull a can give.
And I not talk. Na me losses.
Are you losses?
I give that my money. That for tower. Nani. You not wait the travel. The man meet me. I got that money there. Plenty money. The man don't die with me money.
What? Oh, you be game where they go say for we market car for you.
Not to him. I give for let keep up for me.
For let keep up for you.
Because I want to do tomorrow. That other can to buy. You know they go past them.
Manogan. Manogan. No waiting.
If I have money, take out.
How them boy they run for me show? I go and not reach again. I come back to the machine.
Come on. I see money. Now go let me make a claim. And you can't come in for candle. That's how that.
Where out? Oh, I remember. How much am I they die now too?
What's me? Boy. Now to talk this. Boy, before what's make you talk to her, make you know if now.
Why not to know it?
No, maybe you don't go up.
I've now watched the run the camp. It might tell it to get to continue now.
Naim. What's going to happen now? What's going to do now?
Which one?
You don't go back to logo to Sarah.
Natonia.
Logo, you did before. Did before logo. You did before no more.
What in it? Wake up at all.
No. What's in the behind? Boss behind. Me go able to attack him. They do not free logo no more.
No free. No free. I know there before.
You don't pass away long. If something come up behind, I'm going to cover you.
What if I'm about to do the mind bar? I get money. So take up for can't tell me any money though.
Well, you before you not be wait till you ask him. Logo, you there before no me there bien.
This is not for tell you man.
Logo, you not afraid no more me there bien. Take them.
That word.
Hey, wait a minute, if you can't, we will get you.
No, so bitch. That way.
Hey! Put that sense to. Bamboy, let him go.
Why am I to go?
Bamboy, you there before let him go. Let we go no more. Let we go. If we fight tick, I go to go, make we go. Let me beat us.
Now to a party.
No, let me go.
Now, I'm not going to my other to go. Van boy! Well, don't not begin calling him.
No, now you only be call. Me, I not say, if you're a man, make it call me name. You go no more.
I don't tell you if not the money, take out.
No free. No free. Now make a weapon.
Why you don't begin calling him?
Let we go no more. Let we go. You let we go.
Okay.
You not believe me?
Well, why they don't call him?
If Chris call me name, you not sweat towel. Let we go no more.
Can you call him again for the mad business?
I think that you friend.
Not to bad go.
Never mind. Let we go.
Okay?
Yes.
Look, call me here, yo.
If you don't call me name again. Call me name again.
Let me kill you.
But you can call Van Boy for me.
What?
No, I say no go no more. Not to me, me not give you money for Kego.
Van Boy.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. We'll get a good time right now. We'll get a good time. Once again, the wonderful star Van Boy, and I know the stuff for this speaker right now, and for the skit called Lyman. For the Lyman. Anyway, you can send the comment again on 077-600-100. Stop an extra. Van Boy, this day you bring memory, eh?
Yeah, man.
As you said, you enjoy yourself.
Honest.
Yeah. May the soul of this wonderful guy rest in peace.
Oh yeah, Organ.
Organ, no, don't say he don't die.
We don't grab he die.
Oh my God, he got it die, and of course, die might they want to weapon. So anyway, may his soul rest in peace. Now, we don't get this thing. We don't know in this moment that we are in the younger one in the canal. You know, for for that spy again with some of people in Joleka saying they get inspired by with una run so far. So what are the things so far? How you see the comedy right now?
You know, people are lazy now. You know, even the comedians, they're not able to create the problem with the encounter.
Okay.
You know, and we now the one thing that they will not get sideway with the way exhibit to talents now and they cause this laziness. You know, like we didn't city all been there at least theater groups and just like our football, then get practice in field. Then and then get signed under the national stadium.
Okay.
We didn't go play when I think we will see.
Yeah.
Now so when football left for play, most of the talents are behind.
But now the comedy don't we'll talk about the comedy now.
Yeah.
And the comedy don't they now and we get social media now. Before YouTube normally they did so WhatsApp phone no day for sending one they do and they try and they say try doc one.
Yeah.
SLBC no mommy, the SLBS at that time.
Yeah.
And different see now. Now we don't get a wide range for allow people to show their talents now. So you feel say we really they take a stand and you feel say the talent they do so much for low showcase na salon.
Yeah, the talents and they now the word that they tell you. Now for sports them. You see
but through the social media, people
yeah,
they see
the social media.
If they do well, that's what I'm saying.
Well, you know, okay, you see acting like the different like what you would do so na drama, na comedy drama.
Yeah.
While I stand up now, you can come, you give joke on events where they go on. Who say you to map? I need to pull it.
But mind you, comedy drama still they go on. Get drama and comedians they write on a drama and get together them Sana Benefit and other young one and that's how they act as well.
Yeah, Sana so they try, but
that's what I'm asking.
No, then they try.
Okay.
In their own small way.
Okay.
And I commend them because they don't get sideway. Them in the go as like me, most of them dating and they because in acting you get boku things and way you they put together. You get facial expression, gesture, movement, you understand? Modulation, voice control, dating and they.
So you don't even get the time for being the younger one and they train them. They don't meet you as well.
Yeah. I don't know because anyone who me self see at the gang courage that they bring them come let you because like now so take for Kumo play then shake when they you know even the Sayo even Sana understand the same way
so but this the way you don't do so far this drama you don't need to dancing don't need the drama proper stage drama comedy as well you know as I say give people them the shy away from you don't reap you really comfortable say you've done something way at the end somebody will say yeah you as fanboy you reap from you
oh yeah talent. No I reap from him because it don't take me to places
okay
and then number two the benefits we waiting at they do because like comedy na a therapy na medicine for the soul you know some people that na like a Yahweh will know to know the value of them but when somebody don't stress out you need somebody for make people that laugh.
Oh yes.
You know.
We need comedians there. Yeah. We can't live without comedians there. We can't live without entertainment. Yeah. And that reminds me, that brings me back to your fame. How you maintain it? Because I remember myself they came go na Kairundo Theatre.
Oh yeah.
The Black came go, the Vandi came go na Kairundo Theatre. And I meet una with the late Ali Oboma. And I can't na SLBC say you're not a young guy but you can't be appear on TV. I remember I asked you una question say how do control una fame? How do they control this stardom I get so all man they know now? If this guy for popular, how do they train me? I think you tell me a few things. So how do they maintain that you fame me?
When you know one thing we get to understand, you na mirror.
Yeah.
When they say icon, now you people that they look to because let's say you know one foolish man, one person will just go to an acquaintance, a bona they steady.
I know.
Nobody. Boy, Van Boy. Now the sense no more pass. You say, do Van Boy. You know, that's the name.
Okay.
More time you see, beaucoup people they under him. We no get umbrella. If Van Boy, you know Van Boy do account that.
Under him, yes.
So they get you get forget that now. Now make you dey be careful of wetin you dey do.
Yeah.
You get you integrity for protect. Where you dey, where you don't be a star.
Okay.
Not all this famous, me a musician, me a actor, this, but how you dey relate to the public.
And not some of the dressing.
No.
Yeah, but the attitude, okay.
The attitude.
What's that you regret? Do you ever get anything you regret for?
This life, yeah, alone self na regret.
I like that. Make up for me. Elaborate on now.
Well, for the self elaborate on that. Because that times you dey meet somebody, even in friendship, person you know they expect to do something, we go make you regret the old friendship relationship.
Okay.
You know.
I like the way you put it. I say this life now I will disappoint. Anyway, we don't got some text messages them now, and they can't read some of them right now. Don't mind me at the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
So go reach a point there. Anyway,
Yeah.
well I use this one, and I want to say kudos to Dr. Cello. He advised me because I go complain myself. Anyway, this one say Van Boy. He said, but how you they feel where most of your colleagues them the one ports don't die, and like Fode and the rest. This one come off from German Cat and a CEO of Academic Textiles. He still not done this because he sit down to memory lane. Say thanks King Milan for taking our minds back from German Cat again. And German Cat sent a lot. German I know we're able to take all that you don't see, but we done and they'll go to the next one. And this one again say good evening Van Boy. He say good evening Van Boy. Say up till now when you don't own, you still funny. Say keep it up. This one come up from Toby. Anyway, this one say I really enjoy this program. He say Van Boy, say why una not want start this one pot program again? And you go get for answer that, yeah, Van Boy.
Yeah.
So Van Boy say I'm so happy to see you again from Santos.com. Okay, now go again to the next one. This one again say King Milan say thank you very much for bringing in this our legendary actor. He said this interview make me mind flash back. Way back, this is, up to them past days. Them say how one pot comedian and Giwi good childhood memories, and they say much love to them. Thank you as well. Another one here say King Milan. He say thank you very much for bringing this our legend again. It's not the same person. He said for the second time. He says so funny. Say thank you very much. May God continue to bless you. At you Van Boy. Anyway, when they say Mr. Van Boy, say are you still acting as a comedian? Made one paper and I send this one from Jimmy. This one again say do ya una no make una no. Okay, no, not kill me with laugh. I just say nine for the under. Not kill me with laugh. Say this comedian very funny. Say do you have Van Boy? He say how I go get them film they are we another act. You know, because you want some of them movie another act. But I just take two more. If I'm ready for answer, and I say the main problem for we the young one them this country say we not support filming at all. He said the first time we not get management. And the big one then entertainment no the key at all. He said but we the young one then this na actor King Lux and then at Thunder Hill. Now he said this one as well. This one say Van Boy say what are you doing presently to keep life going? This one come up from German Cat again. Wow. So some question for you.
Yeah. Well I will answer the second question first. I'll start.
Okay.
The person ask waiting are we plan for one pot. Well like how we happen the first time we I can meet the Director General Alobinde when I been Chipu Felix George when me solo is in perfect peace. Where I tell her say the situation of our country is so tense because when you watch television, now so horrible pictures that they see.
Okay.
So people then when you pass through the streets, you see pale down faces. People in the wondering about the pressure of the system. And if I just go past and now, they will just show you somebody who bomb no for 9 ways. You know that kind of thing. So now be horrible pictures. So I get for talk to him. I say, we want make at least people they pull them, we not something tense all the time. So the director general said, so it's a better idea. So he been give you 20 minutes.
Okay, so how for revival again? And the person for now for come.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't get meeting last week. I can meet with the director general.
Nice talk,
yeah.
Okay.
We talk lengthily. I want to assure viewers that very shortly when I'll begin to work.
So somebody also asked for the one we don't know, like food we don't die and organ we don't die. So other one they know they at all. We go PC, it go be the same again. It go sweet the same way again. People they enjoy before.
It was sweet because replacement day for that day.
Okay. There's a text here we don't come back as well. This one say, Mr. King Milan say most of us that are above 30 years now don't know the value of this man. Out school. That means they don't even see when I join it and they don't even know what they want. How now the stress, they kill stress for people. Well.
Oh yeah, they don't really know the value because you know now we get this social media and everything. They don't know the whole way we play during the war.
Okay,
at least.
Yeah. Something else they happen right now. And also they get a lot of things that artists, musicians, actors them, and they give the accolade for what they don't do. But comedy mean like, people don't see and that kind of way see them for the award them so. But make for understand, so you didn't want to go win and start for kind of award show, giving awards to comedians them. Tell me a little bit about that one.
Oh well, you get this advocacy for children's education.
Okay.
Now, one organization where they tap on young talents,
okay,
and then they come up with this comedy competition, stand-up comedy. Now let's start.
Okay.
And what they get the support, this now we forget.
And I make for understand, say in October 9 for take place.
Yeah, now October 16. Yeah.
October 16. Whose side they take place, by the way?
And a family kingdom.
Well, now all the comedians they decide for Guy or not just
no.
How they do get comedians they want for award and waiting at the criteria? How they go give somebody like you don't take to this thing? You not part of them?
Yeah, I mean a part of them, and in fact, I would likely get an award that day.
Wow, veteran.
Yeah, veteran award.
Wow.
These are for just what is I would call a lifetime award.
Lifetime achievement award.
Yeah.
So what about the younger one then? Let's say what
well, yeah, that now some forum we go motivate them because we don't do the audition.
Okay.
Now from the audition we pick the comedians that we get for contest on that day.
How credible will be? No, we don't get them kind of system when audition judges them, then they go past them soak their hand first.
No. Well, comedy not get for soakan because na reality you get for smap there and talk.
And people also they vote for them.
Yeah, people they vote for them.
Wow, that's nice. That's nice.
And on that particular day, I just want to put one secret.
Small one.
Small secret. I just want to tell you the watch say. On that particular show, the Vambo did it live.
Wow.
The family.
Well, they can't round up, and I guess few messages and back we don't come for you and do justice to this guy there. Master King Milan, I say thank you very much for bringing Salon baddest. That's your baddest comedian on the screen. This one come up from Claude. Now he send this one. Another one say, Mr. Von Boy. He say, are you a true Mende man or you just imitating a Mende language? Muslim people. And I send this one from Kojimi. I get Boku Bola just take 2 now before I round up. Say Van Boy, say what is the relationship between you and Sarah? Say no matter he has identified himself to AP. We don't mix with politics anyway. But yeah, we don't even think of that themselves. And this one again say Van Boy, say why make una stop for entertain? We say please una try for organize una self. This one again from Toby. By the way, here Sarah, okay,
okay, we'll tell
you small one. Fine, we'll seal her from that side.
Yeah.
And about still this guy they talk say you are gonna come again. Toby, and don't tell us very soon SLBC will begin get this thing again. So how you feel now? Say we get for make sure yes indeed we take this entertainment now, especially comedy, to the near future.
Well, the bottom line are now for encourage new comedians, upcoming comedians, and not for discourage them. That now what will be now effective on the football. You know why make they always give examples of football.
Yeah.
People then they look at footballers like not drop out. That's what I mean. Look,
Yeah.
we waiting at theater.
Yeah.
Say that one I drop out at this, you know. But until you get people that will come up from the theater world, then they excel.
Excel, yeah.
Yeah.
That's not true. That's not true. And also, it's difficult now. People they always say Salone no get female comedians and too much. How they do for tap them one day?
Really, that way people in the field say, better not they pan comedy.
Okay.
You understand? Just like how football I mean they, and the eye open up on football. That's how I do. Now like Mohamed Kalon.
Yeah.
You know where them begin the counter among the money man and at this country.
Now all my one they can play ball now.
Yeah, fine. You know,
I know that.
and at the same thing they affect the female football.
Okay.
You know,
Okay,
parents say don't want let them pick in and play, let them play ball.
So how the female comedians they now for come up, we'll tap them now.
No, with the time then they did one way or the other. Some they look shy, you know, like we they know they see much.
Okay.
You know,
So
like me, if I tell you the first thing when I buy BMW, 911 me, I did pass around Congo course.
Okay.
I say, hey, this boy Pat
Kaluka don't buy motor.
kind of yes. Now I laugh. You know,
But you buy Motka when you're afraid for the guy.
forget that day.
I love. Anyway, they can't round up now, but you don't talk just on saying they give an award, which is good, and they pray God says that award there on the 16th of October, it will be gone, and we'll go see how they nominate or rather give an awards them, all go there and clap for now. But here at SLBC, we respect you so much, the comedians them, so SLBC, the management and staff as well, because of your work we don't do in building up entertainment and entertaining people. See a lot of comments they come for now. For you,
Yeah.
I decided to give you this one.
Oh,
as a
thank you very much.
they honor you. For the director and me as well.
I appreciate them so much. Yeah. I know me they expect I will get this
I know.
kind of
I not tell you that. I not tell you.
certificate. But thank you. At least una able for identify, una make I feel very proud.
Thank you.
You know, and for make the country, because this particular station, now he make everybody in this country know me.
I know.
You know, because audio is different from visual.
Yeah.
With visual, they see the reality in it. You know, so I want to thank you, the management of SLBC, for this certificate. Oh, now give me this.
Thank you and keep it up.
Thank you.
We end this program now with another show where you do. I want to get this one where Eboku don't put for you anyway. But now the same way you hear about Vambo and Jebes in Taiwan. It's how you cry now like.
Oh,
you cry so loud, get noise. Anyway, they end up with before I end up with that one day, let's talk about your life now. How they enjoy your life and how the woman, you get woman, you get picking.
Yeah.
So, how much picking get?
Oh yeah. I got 3 picking.
3 picking. Wow, they're strong.
Yeah.
And then follow your footsteps as well. Then do I have to be comedian?
No. It's difficult to for that left football and picking play football.
But majority they do.
Yeah, no, now.
Okay, before and then okay.
Yeah.
So okay.
And right now, if you meet footballer, you make, you know, try for choice, say, let him become be lawyer.
I know.
No.
All man and necktie okay like. Anyway, thank you so much for coming. It's a pleasure. And also get boku for talk. It's we're not even talk about you film the way you act, the street movies the way you act.
Oh yeah,
you act a lot of street movies. But we'll come and go. We'll do another part 2 of this program,
Inshallah.
and we'll talk now about street movies them as well.
Oh, yeah.
And how for do them. But thank you so much for coming, and it's a pleasure. And I say thanks as well to a great cameraman, winner great Tete Kwashe, and of course my assistant, winner Bliss. I'll say thanks again to una all watch me program, and next week we'll be coming with another star. I'm not able to name the star right now, but the flag in there around during the week I'll name one of the star will for come up. Me King Milan, may the Almighty God bless you now. Bye bye.
Challenge the business, il est pas.
Now wait. For the
the best.
My best. This looking picture. My best this name die. Hey, you're good.
Hey, but we have to go. It'll go patrol.
To God. Die man to God. But the member who want to be the discussion. We will take my own. We shall take my own. But wait here, please. Never cry too much.
I'm not going to cry too much.
Never cry too much.
Don't do it. Money for
Me bring the
if you don't give the money for give me the money.
me bring the berry. I go cry for smack now. Don't me to me bring the berry. Can I me for cry? My boy. Now we come for go make the berry.
Boy, not say the night of for give me money.
Now we come for go make the berry now. So then say everybody go kill you kasake now. What he get? Now we go can I see berry upline. So God for everybody.
Now the time to
What they mind? Are they mind now? What so God.
I don't try to get small money, let go.
The one I got for give me the money.